Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy M31s is finally certification confirmed with 6000 mAh battery. So Samsung is gearing up to release a successor to its Galaxy M31 with the aptly named Galaxy M31s. The upcoming device was already spotted in a Geekbench listing earlier this month, and now it appeared in database of TUV Highland. The new certification confirmed the key selling point of the phone, its huge 6000 mAh battery, but sadly includes no other specs. So as you can see on your screen, this is the confirmation certification of this Galaxy M31, and which is say 6000 mAh battery. So the Geekbench test run revealed the phone will come with the same Exynos 9611 chipset and 6 gigs of RAM and its predecessor. It will also ship with the Android 10 with Samsung One UI on top. It remains to be seen what other tweaks Samsung bringing, but based one past upgrade in the M30 series, we are likely for enhanced camera as well. By the way, the Galaxy M31 has a 6.4 inch, so we expect maybe this smartphone has a plus size smartphone. Maybe they have 6.8 inch and 6.7 inch screen of this smartphone, and the previously Galaxy M31 smartphone has the octa-core 2.3 gigahertz, the Exynos 9611 and the Mail G72 MP3 GPU as well, 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 and 5 megapixel deep macro camera, and 4K 30 fps video recording. So we expect this smartphone has a more ability like 8K or maybe the 6K video recording in this upcoming smartphone. 32 megapixel camera of the M31, so we expect dual camera as well, and the battery also confirmed 6000 mAh battery, but charging is not confirmed. That the Galaxy M31 has a 15-watt super fast charging. Let's see, maybe this M31s has a same charging, or maybe the 30-watt super fast charging. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video guys and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.